Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. Back with the video on software-defined radio. And in this video, we're going to learn how to actually make our own Bluetooth network. How I can make my own Bluetooth network using HackRF or using BladeRF. Any HackRF or BladeRF. For that purpose, you need a tool called BTLE, which is available in Dragon OS Focal. The cool thing about Dragon OS Focal is, or Dragon Focal OS, or Dragon OS Focal, is that it comes with pre-compiled tool that you need. On my Android phone, I'm running an app called LightBlue. This will help me discover the new network that we will just build using HackRF. So you need to go into CD USR/source. This is where all the tools are, and that comes pre-compiled. So you need BTLE. So CD into BTLE. Once you go into this, you will find 4 script, which is in green. BTLE RX, BTLE TX. These are the script for with you can use it with HackRF, while BTLE RX and BTLE TX Blade RF, this is specifically dedicated for Blade RF if you have Blade RF connected to it. Now, in order for me to use this, I will go into that README file, how I can make my own network. So just nano read file. Now we're going to read this file and we're going to copy in a script from here, which will help me make our own Bluetooth network. So BTLE is a free and open source software-defined radio Bluetooth low energy software suite. It will allow me to create my own Bluetooth network, or I can also receive as well. Reception, you can also do it. I made several videos using other tools which are available in Dragon OS Focal, but we're going to learn how to make our own using simple HackRF or BladeRF. Now, when you go ahead and scroll down in this, what you will find, you just need to copy this script, which is right here. That is this. So, and it actually tells you that you need to have an app called LightBlue app, which will help you see the network that you just built. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this command line and we're going to copy the selection. And what the selection basically is doing is actually invoking this script, which is called BTLE TX, using a channel. The channel which is allocated in this script is from 0 to 39. So you're going to choose channel number 37. It will send a discovery packet, which means it will show you that, okay, let's discover this particular network that has a name called SDR Bluetooth Low Energy. That's the name that we are given. And you're going to repeat this 40 times. All right, we're going to repeat this 40 times. We're going to simply copy this script, copy the selection, go ahead and open up another terminal. I have actually experimenting with this before, so let me just clear everything for you. And we're going to simply copy this script. Let's just ls into it so you can see. So we're going to use this BTLE TX script, and I'm going to copy paste my selection here. And since we don't need to go, because this script is present in our main folder, I need to delete all of this stuff from it. So I'm going to erase all of this, and I'm going to put periods /BTLE, and I'm going to change this discovery to repeat this packet at least 200 times. And it's going to start transmitting it. As soon as it starts transmitting using my HackRF, you can see my network that has a name called SDR Bluetooth Low. That's the name of the network. And you can see the power of this network as compared to the other one that I'm seeing on my mobile phone. So it has about power of -50, which is quite good as compared to these ones, which has a power of about -84. It might be one of these devices might be a device which is actually my Bluetooth mic that I'm using to record this video. And when I try to connect this, it won't be able to connect it. Why? Because HackRF is a half duplex device. I won't be able to connect this. As soon as the script has stopped, when I refresh this, I won't see this network anymore. I would see some other network, but I won't see this network. Let me run this again. When I run this, as soon as I start running it, I start transmitting, and you can see this SDR Bluetooth low energy network. When I try to connect it, it won't be able to connect it. Why? Because HackRF is a half duplex device. It won't be able to receive this. So that's the idea. Let's wait for this to stop. Once it stops, you will see that this network will be gone. It won't be available to you in order for you to connect this. So you can experiment with this script. You can change this. You can modify this script as well using the provided file which is there. There are a lot of things that you can do with that. So channel 37 is basically an advertisement channel. You can use either channel 37, 38, 39. Plus you can also, it has also have help when you're using it with Blade RF as well. So when I refresh this, I won't see this network. So, and there are different ways you can actually do this. So I hope you find this video to be interactive or educational. You can make your own Bluetooth network using software-defined radio. That's the beauty of software-defined radio, because you can make your any network you want with the help of some online help or some of the tools which are available in Dragon OS Focal. So I hope you find this video interesting. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.